භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස 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 භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස සාදු සාදු සාදු. Please say Namo Tassa 3 times to observe the precepts.
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa.
බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
ဒ ුතියම්පි සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි බුද්ධං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි ධම්මං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
තතියම්පි සංඝං සරණං ගච්ඡාමි
පාණාති පාතා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
ආනාතිපාතා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
අදින්නාදාන වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
දීනාදානා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
කාමේසු මිච්ඡාචාරා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
කාමේසු මිච්ඡාචාරා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
මුසාවාදා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
මුසාවාදා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
සුරාමේර මජ්ජපමා දට්ඨානා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
සුරාමේරය මජ්ජපමා දට්ඨානා වේරමණී සික්ඛාපදං සමාදියාමි
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. We pay our homage to the Blessed One, supremely enlightened Lord Buddha. May those blessings be with all of you. Today, Mr. Ramurthy Suman, together with all the family, preparing the dana for the venerable monks, and also to the Blessed One, Lord Buddha, and we all are here to offer that special dana. So this ceremony is being organized to mark the 6th year of the beloved wife, loving mother, beloved grandmother, Mrs. Bindu Suman, Mr. Ramurthy Suman, also daughter Kamala, daughter Neelam, daughter Sushil, son Vikash, together with also daughter-in-law Balpreet, also son-in-law Siddharth, and here their grandchildren, Naina, also Carter, and Wolverhampton, they join Rahul and
Rahul, Treya,
Seneha,
and Amarta.
Amarta. Seneha and Amarta.
Amarta or Amardas?
Amarta.
Amarta.
So joining to think of the beloved mother, grandmother, beloved wife, and this is what she would have been extremely rejoiced to see everyone joining together. Mrs. Bindu Suman is very much like a mother to us and to every venerable monk who was here. And she was a very dedicated member of the Buddha Vihara from the very beginning. She cooked so much and always offered dana on every special occasion, on the birthdays of children, grandchildren, and also the parents or whatever. She was always looking for a reason to give a dana, to come to the temple, to share the merits. Ramurthy Sumanji, also Bindu Sumanji, and everyone being a big part of the Buddhist community here, and also establishment and the maintenance of the temple here. So they are very happy after being 20 years, they still have a place to come as a Buddha Vihara. And it is a great opportunity for us who are living in the West. Especially teachings of the Buddha helps in this life to develop as a wonderful human being. As we know, when we are developing in the world with so much of opinions and ideologies and certain beliefs, Buddha has given very open, very equal teachings that everybody can develop in such a meaningful way. So therefore, when Baba Sahib found, when he was studying here in UK and went into India, even when he was putting the first constitution to the Indian big environment, he used these for sublime qualities, equanimities, and equal opportunities taken from the Buddhist values. Even beyond that, when we think of liberation, freedom from suffering, and those things are very powerful. So therefore, it is very important for us to pass on this culture, this understanding to our younger generation. I just wanted to remind that Mr. Ramurthy Suman as well as our Bindu Suman has taken that inspiration, that duty seriously into their heart, and they made every effort to keep the Buddha Dhamma Sangha well accommodated in their lives. So I was there when she fasted the last breath. So I was lucky to pick the phone call about 2 a.m. in the morning and to immediately rush to the hospital to stand with all the family to do the chanting of necessary blessings when she was leaving us. And I still remember the very words Vikas said to me that moment, Bante, she has gone to Nirvana, which means a lot. And you know that we believe when somebody pass in a peaceful way, also with lot of good pass, doing good, certainly need to be into a place where that highest happiness and peace is being gained. So therefore be happy ever since. We all have been doing lot of meritorious activities, and also by that time my parents was also here, and we also went to the hospital. She was there for few days, and so it was a lot of sad memories, but we feel that we are very touched with her life doing many things. So therefore it was just Nina was about to born, and so it was a very memorable days that we all had. Now, after being 7th day, 3 months, yearly, and every occasion, we've been really thinking of her as a family. I know how much you miss her. Especially, I just spoke to our Ramurthy Sumanji few minutes ago, and he was saying after being 6 years, it's still like 6 hours. And we have that heart pain, deep down sorrow still there, because she was a strong pillar in the family who made a lot of things possible. I know that Ramurthy Suman said that I sent all my children to universities, got the education, all the degrees, and without being dead to anyone. And because of their hard work, I know at the very beginning, they did not have red carpets. They spent lot of time in the shops and doing lot of work, and all went into the family, and that is their hard working. So we have a right duty to pay our gratitude in whatever way we can. So therefore, we are very happy to have this opportunity and to transfer the merits into her good name. Now I will conduct the Buddha Puja. After that, our Reverend, Most Reverend Dr. Dato Sumanasiri Nayakathera from Singapore, Malaysia, will do the transference of merits and will do the chanting of blessing. Later, we can offer the dana, as we are online and also recording this for later views. So we'll do the program first and then leisurely offer the dana. Bringing our palms jointly together, thinking of the greatest qualities of the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, let us offer this first portion of the dana to the Blessed One. May those merits in full measure be with Mrs. Bindu Sumanji. As we mark the 6th year, we are very strongly coming together with everyone, which is the most important thing. We know we see people come on the 3rd month, 1 year. Very rarely 2nd year have the strength to come with all. But you made that possible, which is very powerful thing. Especially we are going through a very difficult time. Last night at 12 o'clock zero time at the beginning of the day, the government put restrictions, strong restrictions very much like lockdown the whole country, but we are lucky that we have the opportunity to come despite of those aspects of difficulties with respecting all the government rules. Let us bring this also to wish everyone in our community, in our world, to find that healing as well. So even having all these difficulties as a family, you have come for your mom, for your grandmom, for your mother-in-law, for your beloved wife. And we are here because of our beloved devotee who dedicates so much into the existence of the temple. So may all the blessings be with Mrs. Bindu Sumanji. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itti piso bhagava arahang samma sambuddho vijjācarana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati satta deva manussanam Buddhang jivitang yava nibbānang saranang gacchāmi Swakkato bhagavata dhammo sanditthiko akaliko ehipassiko opahiko paccattāṃ veditabbo viññuhiti Dhammang jivitang yava nibbānang saranang gacchāmi Supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Ujjupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Nyāya patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Sāmīci patipanno bhagavato sāvaka sangho Yatidang cattari purisa yugani atta purisa puggala esa bhagavato sāvaka Ahuneyo pahuneyo dakkineyo anjali karaniyo anuttarang puññakkettang lokassāt sanghang jivitang yava nibbānang saranang gacchāmi Vandāmi cetiyang sabbang sabbedāne supatittitang sāririka dhātu mahābodhiṃ buddha rūpaṃ sakaram sadāyassa mūle nisingnova sabbāri vijayang akapanto sabbang yutang vande tang bodhipadapang ime ete mahabodhi lokanatena pujita ahang pite namassami bodhi raja namantute Ganasarampadittena dīpena tamadang sināt තිලෝකදීපං සම්බුද්ධං පූජයාමි තමෝනුදං ගන්ධ සම්භාර යුත්තේන දූපේනහං සුගන්ධිනා පූජයේ පූජනීයන්තං පූජාභාජන මුත්තමං වන්න ගන්ධ ගුණෝ ඒතං කුසුම සන්තතින් පූජයාමි මුනිං දස්ස සිරිපාද සරෝ පූජේමි උද්දං කුසුමේන නේන පුඤ්ඤේන මේතේන ලබාමි මොක්ඛං uppang milayati atai dhamme kayo tatayati vinasabhavang sugandang sitalang kappang pasanna maturang subang paniya metang bhagava patiganhatu uttama ativase tuno bante bhojanam paritappitam anukampang upadaya patiganhatu uttama kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya ajjayang kamami bhante bhuri panya tathagata kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya katang ajjayang kamami dhamma sandipika akalika kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya acchayang kamame sangha supatipanna anuttara imina punya kamme mame bala samagamo satan samagamo yava nibbana pattiya akasatta ca bhummatta devanaga mahittika punyantang anumoditva ciran rakkantu loka sasanang akasatta ca bhummatta devanaga mahittika punyantang anumoditva ciran rakkantu desanam akasatta ca bhummatta devanaga mahittika punyantang anumoditva ciran rakkantu mang paranti idang me ñātīnaṃ hotu sukhitāṃ punātayo idang me ñātīnaṃ hotu sukhitāṃ punātayo idang me ñātīnaṃ sukhitāṃ punātayo sadhu sadhu sadhu. Now I will invite our Reverend Dr. Sumana Sirinayaka Thera to do the sharing of merits.
Sisters and brothers in the Dhamma, Mr. Ram Suman, you share my name also because I am Sumana Siri. Only you put double M, but actually it's grammatically only one M. Yeah. Suman means pure mind. Mr. Ram Suman is been accepted, acknowledged in the United Kingdom and India as one of the pioneers of Ambedkarite movement in this country. And you couldn't have done that without your beloved wife. She stood by you very devotedly to the religion and to the family, as the Reverend have already mentioned. And it was a great force that outside London in Letchworth, the few Indian Buddhists who are here got together and promoted to the founding of this temple, which is now called Letchworth Buddhist Vihara. So that is a great service to the religion. This month, the 6th, was Dr. Ambedkar's 64th date anniversary, if all of you remember. These are important days you must keep in your calendar, not just the Ambedkar Jayanti Day only. I've spoken many times at the Indian High Commission here in London on behalf of Dr. Ambedkar when the ceremonies were done. When he became a Buddhist, there were 8 Buddhist monks on the platform. And on that day, out of the 8, 6 Buddhist monks were known to me. One was related to me distantly. And in 1959, when the World Fellowship of Buddhists was founded in Sri Lanka, Dr. Ambedkar came to the Tooth Relic Temple of Sri Lanka, and next to him was seated one of my ex-teachers. He was that time a lay person, Narcissus Mimanage, who became Venerable Ananda Mangala and who fought for Indian freedom as a Nehruvian. My connection to India is very strong. People ask me, which is your fatherland? I said, India. Why we are Shakyaputras. All monks are called Shakyaputra. That means sons of the Buddha. That is why Chinese monk, they use their name SHI, remnant of the word Shakya. Every Chinese monk is a she something something. Every Vietnamese monk, this affects you ought to know, is a Thich, Thich, the same thing. Sakya Muni, Tekya Muni, they say in Vietnamese. Sakya Muni, they say in Chinese. So all Buddhist monks' fatherland is India. Whether they are born in Sri Lanka, I am born in Singapore, Malaysia, is a different issue. So I've been to India 55 times. It was a great joy for me to go there. And every time I went in the last 45 years, I learned a lot. So India opens the heart for many people. Why the Buddha born in Nepal had to come to India? Because that is the place for universal wisdom. That is the place where many other religious leaders also were born. In his time, 6 more, and 62 kinds of religions in the Buddha's time. Indian history is the most important history in the world. You see, if all Indians in the world go up and jump, the whole world will shake. It's like that. You must remember this. So the message of the Buddha through Dr. Ambedkar, who passed away 64 years ago on 6 December. So today is 6th anniversary of your mother's. Yeah? See how these connections all come. They are not accidents. They make certain good connections. And 6 is my lucky number. So as Buddhists, what you should do, if you really respect your mother, follow the path of your mother. She may not have gone to university, but she understood from the world, the university of the world. And she saw the difficult implications 40, 50 years ago to come to this country and to set up things. She went through all that. So you owe to your mother, you owe to your father. So what the Buddha says, even if you keep your parents both sides of your shoulders and take care physically for 100 years, still you owe them. There are things that you cannot pay by money. We live in a capitalist world, quite cruel, very selfish, very private. You don't talk to your neighbors only Christmas Day, the day before. Yeah, and Christmas is now very soon coming. So we need to challenge these attractions which make us forget our ethical, moral duties, our innate great qualities as Buddhists. Why did you become a Buddhist from your early Hinduism or Sikhism? It's because, not just because of Dr. Ambedkar, but he was the prime mover, the pioneer to bring the Buddhists together in India, to see that Buddhism was given its right's place. I was given great honor in the Constitutional Hall of New Delhi, where the Constitution was written and given to the government by Sant Swarup Baut in New Delhi. We all work together very closely. So I understand the Ambedkarite movement very well. Also in Aurangabad, in many places where I work in India. 55 times to India for a small person like me is a lot. So India honored me by glory of India. Only non-Indian to get, and I share that with Mother Teresa's and Shah Rukh Khan, Devanand, my favorite actor. I've been a Bollywood fan from childhood in Singapore watching Hindi movies. I spoke Hindi before I spoke English. So my interest in India have shown me and given me the wisdom to understand widely, to look from an Asian point, not just for India only, but greater India. So you see, India extends and then it becomes Indonesia, Indonesia. The words in Indonesian language, which is also my language, one of my 3 languages, English, Malay, Chinese, my major, it's same like Indian. So even they are Muslim, in their money, they put Lord Ganapati, Ganesh, in their money. So some Muslim countries object them. They said, we cannot forget our old culture. Though today we are Muslims. You understand? There's such wonderful thing in Buddhism. Because they have 3 big kingdoms in history in that area of Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia. That's where I come from. I'm a Singaporean. So, and majority of people in Singapore are Buddhist people. We have the largest Buddhist temple in Singapore. So, that's where I was ordained as the first Buddhist 56 years ago. So, our history, our cultures, no matter we change our places, but still we are what we are. Yeah. India is more than Mera Bharat Mahan Hai. It's more than that. It's for the world. So much so that it has spread everywhere. So the teachings that we have brought here, the Buddhist monks, we struggle, and also the Ambedkar Buddhists and the other Indian Buddhists who are not Ambedkar, there are others also, have helped to see that Buddhist communities get together and do something. So as a result, Lecture Buddhist Temple also was born, and many other places. Despite a lot of challenges, we still carry on like that. Yeah. And at this point of time, I would like to give a small advice to all of you that see that the kids also follow. Don't make them just a British Indian or an Indian British. Yeah. And a few lines I would like to dedicate to the late Bindu. Bindu is also a Hollywood name. There's an actress called Bindu.
Her full name is
Baksho,
Balvinder.
Balvinder.
No.
My mom's name is Balvinder.
But who is Bindu?
And just
That was
That's
a
what
nickname.
Nickname,
given by
okay.
the-
But that's nice too because the Hollywood actress is called
given by
Bindu.
the position they have.
Sometimes they are Bindi Goswami, but still they call Bindu. I just saw the connection. So I hope your wife thought about you like this, Suman.
Okay.
तुम ही मेरे मंदिर, तुम ही मेरे पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. My voice bad because I need to cough. तुम ही मेरे मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. कोई मेरे आंखों से देखे तो समझे कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, कि तुम मेरे क्या हो. तुम ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. Just look at the lyrics. Newton singing for Sunil Dutt, isn't it?
Yes, that's
So we can understand the mother died, but motherhood remains. These are the necessary bonds that we must keep. We cannot be a full British English as such. We retain our culture. Multiplicity is a gift of nature that is given to us in our creativities. With that creative intelligence, we need to grow. Man cannot live by bread alone. The Christians say, yeah, they say must live with the word of God. But we also say You can't live just eating bread. You must have curry or you must have butter and jam, isn't it? So children must have spiritual food. If the culture is not there, don't blindly accept anything in Buddhism. Like Dr. Ambedkar, be sharp, be thorough looking, look at Buddhism in its rational aspect. That is why Dr. Ambedkar was named by Columbia University when he did his third doctorate. He was called the world scholar. Nobody had been called like that in this world. इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है ऐसा type.
Recently, he been honored by the Columbia University again, saying that he is the symbol of knowledge.
That's also good. Yeah, I remember about 2-3 years ago they had another commemoration there, and so that greatness come because of that Indianness, that courage that Buddhism has given to see the reawakening of a big group of people. Today, English Buddhists from this country go and work for the Ambedkarites in India, Reverend Sangharakshita students. So we must be very grateful to the English people also. And they have helped us here and as well in those countries they go to India and do it now. So be very happy today. Ram Suman, with all your good work and with all your good work of your wife, you have come today to make this ceremony to transfer merits. Transfer merit in a very Buddhistic way, a little bit different from the Indian way. Then other kind, I don't know.
You might.
Get the thing
The
there.
whole
That it's on the
You
table.
can put on the table. You can put on front, in front, please.
Ikat kira.
over there.
No, near to your daddy. Eh?
Near to you. That's it's easy for you. And
Others
you all
can
also
also
come
join.
closer and pouring the water. Yeah, just be there first. So first of all, we will make these offerings to the Noble Arya Sangha. Noble Arya Sangha, not only these 3 months here, from the past, present, futures, we are the representatives. So only when you are activated in these and you try to understand more, when the children come, they see the statues, the trees, and they ask questions, then only they learn. By simply being born Buddhist and accepting Buddhism as your religion is not enough. Live in Buddhism, get the real meanings. All these rituals are not mere rituals. They lead you to the actual. That is how you, it depends how you make it. Yeah. Just being born Buddhist is only a nominal Buddhist. Yeah. Be a practical Buddhist like your father, your mother. Yeah. So now let us offer this dana to the Noble Arya Sangha from the past, present, and the future. Keep your palms together, all, and recite as follows. Imang bhikkhan
Mang Bhikkhan
bhikkhu sanghasya deva.
Deva
Imang bhikkhan
Mang Bhikkhan
bhikkhu sanghasya deva. Imang bhikkhan
Mang Bhikkhan
bhikkhu sanghasya deva. Now, slowly pour the water to transfer merits. Recall the sacred memory of your mother. Touch the.
Everybody can join.
Everybody must join. Come beside me. Slowly pour until it overflows. Say together. Touch the. Yeah, touch the vase. Yeah. Say idang me nyati nang. All together say.
Dhamme ñātīnaṁ hotu sukita hontu ñātayo. Idamme ñātīnaṁ hotu sukita hontu ñātayo. Vāri vaha pura paripurenti sāgaraṁ evameva ito dinnam petānaṁ upakappati unname udakam vattang yata ninnam bhavattati evameva ito dinnam petānaṁ upakappati iccitang paccitam tuiham kippameva samijjatu sabbe purentu citta sankappa cando panna raso yata manijo tiraso yata.
So this is a ritual you did. The living are more powerful than the dead, and if they need merits, they get the merits like this water overflow fully. Yeah.
That
Understand?
was in the
For the time being, you can leave like that. We'll do the chanting and
Now
later.
we do the chanting and we finish the session on.
You can sit back, yeah, please.
all right.
So Jai Buddha, Jai Bhim, Jai Lechwar Vihar. Indian.
Thank you very much, our most Reverend Dr. Dato Sumanasiri Nayakathera, for giving very good Dhamma reflection to transfer the merits to our Mrs. Balvinda Kaur, isn't it?
Yeah.
Balvinda Kaur Suman, Bindu Sumanji. And, he was Bhumi Indian Putra, Reverend Sumanasiri. So I'm very glad that we had the opportunity to transfer the merits to our beloved mother. So now we are going to make a chanting of blessings, wishing everyone, all the grandchildren, all the family, and everyone all the happiness. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Yani bhutani samagani bummani vayani antarike sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu ato pisakkacha sunantu bhasitam tasmahi bhutani sameta sabbe Tang karot manusia pajaya divacaratto haranti baling tasmai nerakkata appamatta yang kinci vittang idavahurang va sakke suayang ratanang panitang nano samang atti tathagatena idang pi buddhe ratanam panitang etena saccena suattiyotu kayang viragang amatang panitang yadajjaga sakya muni samahito natena dhammena samatti kinci idang pi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suattiyotu yang buddha setto parivannai sucing samadhimanan tarikanya bau samadhinatena samona vicchati dangpi dhamme ratanang panitang etena saccena suattiyotu ye punggala atta satampa satta cattari etani yugani honti te dakkineya sugatassa savaka ete sudindani mahappalani idampi sangye ratanang panitang etena saccena suattiyotu ye sumpayutta manasa dallena dikkhamino gotama te patti patta amatang vigaiha latta muda බුතින් බුඤ්ජමානා ඉදංපි සංඝේ රතනං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යතින්ද කීලෝ පඨවින් සිතෝසියා වාතේබි අසම්පකම්පියෝ තතුපමං සම්පුරිසං වදාමි යෝ අරිය අවෙච්ච පස්සති ඉදංපි සංඝේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති යේ අරිය සච්චානි විභාවයන්ති ගම්බීර පඤ්ඤේන සුදේසි කිංචාපිතේ හොන්ති බුසප්පමත්තානතේ බවං අට්ඨමං ආදියන්ති ඉදංපි සංඝේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය කයස්සු ධම්මා ජයිතා භවಂತಿ සක්කාය දිට්ඨි විචිකිච්ඡිතං ච සීලබ්බතං වාපිය දත්ති කිංචි චතුහපායේ ච විප්පමුත්තෝ චචාභිතානානි අබබ්බෝ කාතුං ඉදංපි සංඝේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු වනප්ප ගුම්බේ අතා පුස්සිතංගේ ගිම්මාන මාසේ පඨමස්මින් ගිම්මේ තතුපමන් ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිබ්බාන පරමන්නිතාය ඉදංපි බුද්දේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති වරෝ වරඤ්ඤෝ වරදෝ වරහරෝ අනුත්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි ඉදංපි බුද්දේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු කීනං පුරාණං නවං අත්ති සම්භවං විරත්ත චිත්තා ආයතිකේ බවස්මි තේ කීන බීජා අවිරුල්ලි චන්දා නිබ්බන්ති දීරා යතයන් ඉදංපි සංඝේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවත්ති හෝතු යානීද භූතානි සමාගතානි උම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලික්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානීද භූතානි සමාගතානි පුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලික් තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්මං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු යානීද භූතානි සමාගතානි පුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලික් තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන සොත්තිතේ හෝතු සබ්බදා ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං කරණීය මත්ත කුසලේන යන්තං සන්තං පදං අபிසමෙච්ච සක්කෝ උජුච සූජුච සුවචෝ චස්ස සන්තුස්ස කෝච සුභරෝච අප්පකිච්චෝච සල්ලවුක වුත්ති සන්තින්ද්‍රියෝච නිපකෝච අප්පගම්බෝ කුලේසු අනනු නච කුද්දං සමාචරේ කිංචියේන විඤ්ඤෝ පරේ උපවදෙය්‍යං සුඛිනෝ වාකේමිනෝ සබ්බේ සත්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතත්තා ඒකේචි පාන භූතත්ති තසාවාතාවරාවා අනවසේසා දීගාවායේ මජ්ජිමා රස්ස කානුක තුලා දිට්ඨාවායේව අද්දිට්ඨායේච දුරේ වසන්ති ූතාවා සම්භවේ සීවා සබ්බේ සත්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතත්තා නපරෝ පරං නිකුම්බේත නාති මඤ්ඤේත චිනංකංචි ව්‍යාරෝසනා පටිග සංඥා ඥාඤ්ඤ මඤ්ඤස්ස දුක්ඛ මිච්ඡේය මාතා යතානියං ආයුසා ඒක පුත්ත මනුරක්කේ ඒවම්පි සබ්බ භූතේසු මාන සම්භාවයේ අපරිමාණං මෙත්තං ච සබ්බ ලෝකස්මින් මාන සම්භාවයේ අපරිමාණං උද්දං අදෝච අසම්බාධං අවේරං අසපත්තං තිට්ඨං චරං නිසින්නෝ වාසයානෝ වායාව තස්ස ඒතං සතින් අදිත්තේය බ්‍රහ්මමේතං විහාරං හිතමාහු දිට්ඨිංච අනුපගම්ම සීලවා දස්සනේන කාමේසු විනේයගේ දන්නයි ජාතු ගබ්බසෙයං පුනරේති ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන සොත්තිතේ හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය සබ්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සබ්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතු මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ දේවතා සබ්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ නක්ඛත් යක්ඛ භූතානං පාපග්ගා නිවාරණා පරිත්තස්සානුභාවේන හන්තු තේ සම්මුපද්දවේ දේවෝ වස්සතු කාලේන සස්ස සම්පත්ති හේතුච පීතෝ භවතු ලෝකෝච රාජා භවතු යන්දුන් නිමිත්තං අවමංගලංච යෝචාමනාපෝ සකුණස්ස සද්දෝ පාපග්ග හෝදුස්සු පිනං බුද්ධානුභාවේන විනාශමෙන්තු යන්දුන් නිමිත්තං අවමංගලංච යෝචාමනාපෝ සකුණස්ස සද්දෝ පාපග්ග හෝදුස්සු පිනං ධම්මානුභාවේන විනාශමෙන්තු යන්දුන් නිමිත්තං අවමංගලංච යෝචාමනාපෝ සකුණස්ස සද්දෝ පාපග්ග හෝදුස්සු පිනං සංඝානුභාවේන විනාශමෙන්තු දුක්ඛප්පත්තාච නිදුක්ඛා භයප්පත්තාච සෝකප්පත්තාච නිස්සෝකා හොන්තු සබ්බේ පිපාරිනෝ සබ්බේ බුද්ධා බලප්පත්තා patta paccekananca yam balam arahantananca tejena rakkam bandami sabbasu sabbe buddha balapatta paccekananca yam balam arahantananca tejena rakkam bandami sabbasu sabbe buddha balapatta paccekananca yam balam arahantananca tejena rakkam bandami sabbasu devo vassatu kalena sassa sampatti tuca pito bhavatu raja bhavatu dhammiko. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now we have come to the end of our offering puja and also transference of merits and to the chanting of blessings. Today, all the family, Mr. Ramurthy Sumanji and also Kamala and Siddharth, Sneha, Rahul, Amrita, joining from Wolverhampton. We are very glad to see you all there. And also Neelam, Sushil, Vikas is also joining together with Balpreet and Nina and Carter and everyone. And it would have been really joy to see all the family. I think your mom, grandmother is really happy to see that you are all coming together. Even this very difficult time that we have never experienced in our life. Even last midnight, the Prime Minister put the strict rules to lock down the whole country to stop all these problems. So therefore, despite all these problems, you all have come together to transfer the merits to the beloved mother. So let us take our palms jointly together to finally to share the merits with all.
It's on mute.
Iccitang paccitang tuiham kippameva samijjatu sabbe burentu citta sankappa chando panna rasota ayurarogya sampatti sagga sampatti mevaca ato nibbana sampatti minate samijjatu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now please come and get a blessing thread.
Sabbe buddha balapatta paccekananca yam balam arahantananca tejena
Rakkam bandami sabbaso sabbe buddha balapatta paccekananca yam balam arahantananca tejena rakkam bandami sabbaso sabbe buddha balapatta
paccekananca yam balam
arahantananca tejena rakkam bandami sabbaso. Yes, can.
So she got the grandmother's name, huh?
Yeah, middle.
Wait, is Sambandhari Sambujo Sattva Malapatta Vachikanantyam Malangarantananti So the brother in Wolverhampton, what's his name?
He's there.
Siddharth,
Yeah.
brother-in-law.
They are here.
Oh yeah, what's his name?
Siddharth.
Siddharth. Is he near the town or near the Buddhist temple there?
They are kind of quite near the town centre.
Near the
yeah.
town centre.
Yeah.
Do they go to the Ambedkar Buddhist temple?
Yeah,
there?
they do,
yeah.
Yeah, I've spoken there, and I've spoken in Venerable Chandra Bodhi's place also.
Yeah.
My sister must have seen you there, yeah.
They'll probably hear you now.
She's there.
Is that young monk there, that Reverend Chandra Bodhi's young monk?
I don't know.
You don't know.
We haven't been there. But yeah, she's there. I think you can ask her on the Zoom.
What's her name?
Kamla.
Huh?
Kamla.
Kamla? Kamla?
Hello, Pantaji.
Yeah, do you go to this Chandra Bodhi Bante's temple there in Wolverhampton?
I go to the one where
The larger one.
Stage one.
Yeah. I come there
Yeah.
to the young
I
monk, page one.
Stage one. That's stages one or stage one?
Page one.
Okay, yeah, I see him.
Yeah, you see him, yeah, sometime? Yeah, give my regards.
I will.
Thanks.
Rahul, come here.
Young monk
Come.
there.
Come here.
Done
Quickly.
his master's in stem cells.
Okay.
A science student. So I told him to follow
Yeah,
the
this is.
Oh, did you just tighten that? I think it's gonna come off.
Shall we put this away?
It's okay.
you can do it later. Never mind.
Now you can bring the
Put
plates.
to a plant outside. Put the water to a plant. So
Okay, I thought I could transfer it to their account. They got a Buddhist account.
Mandated on your behalf.
already done it, Cam.
All right then, Dad.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
it's close here.
Nice to be in here.